So today I'm doing a YouTube video with Indy. And so I'm going to try to match what he's wearing. So the first thing he is wearing is this little dress. Now let me put it on him. So, look at Indy, so cute. Comment down below will you rate his outfit out of 1 out of 10. So now I need to get dressed. So let me look for something in my closet. See you in 2 seconds. Now I'm gonna change I changed my skirt. Okay, now I'm gonna put on my pants. See you back in 2 seconds. But here's the outfit together. Okay. Second outfit time. Okay, come on. Yeah. Okay, let's see what Indy's gonna be wearing. Indy is going to be wearing this cute little dress. It's like rainbow. So, let me change Indy. So here's Indy changed. He's so cute. Say hi. Okay, now I'm gonna change. See you back in 2 seconds. This is the outfit together. How do you like it? And then there's this Indy. Okay, here's this one. Okay, isn't that cute? Okay. Now we have one more rotation. Okay. So let's see what Indy's going to be wearing. Indy's going to wear this little flower dress. Okay. See you back in 2 seconds.